Imagine you're working for a car manufacturer and you're responsible for designing a digital dashboard. You nailed it with a sleek design. You've got smartphone connectivity, Bluetooth calling, GPS navigation, all on the same dashboard. Now the twist. To cut the cost, your organization decides to remove the digital dashboard and introduce an analog dashboard. You have been asked to build an analog dashboard to serve the budget-friendly consumers. What will you do? How do you integrate the analog dashboard with minimal change? Without proper design, you will end up with a mess like this. This real-life scenario mirrors how organizations adapt to changing customer needs. And guess what? The same principle applies to building software systems. Software must evolve constantly to meet shifting customer demands. Questions you should ask yourself. How can I design software that can adapt to new requirements without complete overhaul? What are the best practices for building flexible architectures that can evolve over time? How do I balance the need for innovation with the constraint of budget and time? In this series, we will try to answer these questions. We will explore how to write software that thrives in the real world, where requirements are always evolving. With over 12 years of experience in software industry, I will share all my learnings with you. Like and subscribe to learn more.